Hi everyone, just a quick update. The channel is still alive, not dead yet at least. So why don't you upload more videos? Well, I was working on this Bang & Olufsen A9 speaker for a video. I thought it's going to be a fun and interesting project, and more or less, I think this is the most difficult part. More or less, I basically got it. But while I was working on it, I realized that it's quite tedious and not really fun for a beginner-friendly video, because you have to align all of this and inset separate faces. Then you need to get to something like this, but all of them are cut in a curve. And if it's a curve and you bevel the vertices, you get asymmetrical ones, and you need to go one by one, GG, GG, and snap it there, GG, snap it there. So it works nicely. Then you get to the boolean and subdivision and bevel hell. So it's not really, it can be done in Blender. It's almost there, but it's not a fun thing to do especially as a beginner. So I was looking for something else, and I was thinking, okay, maybe I could do some sort of boat as a series of videos. But this one also turned out to be way trickier than expected, especially once you start adding cutouts and windows and all that. So again, it can be done, but it's a bit tricky here and there. So I ended up with this video a bit simpler, working with some curves and doing a ceiling lamp. I think it turned out okay. It didn't really do that well with views, but I think it will be useful to someone. So what's next? Well, I guess it wouldn't hurt to press the subscribe button to find out. The general idea is Blender and Proto Design will still be a part of the channel, but especially with Proto Design, plasticity, it seems to be getting a lot of popularity recently, and I understand why. So for example, if you have these two objects and you want to bevel just the connection between them, you know that in Blender with spheres and curves and subdivisions and bevels, it could be quite a headache, and here is just selecting them, Q, OK, and as simple as that. I think this will allow us to avoid many of the tedious and annoying parts and just focus on learning and creating interesting projects and having fun with it. That's probably what's coming on next, but also let me know in the comments if you are looking for something more specific, or if you have any ideas. I would love to know them. That said, see you hopefully soon. I hope you are having a lovely summer, and thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.